Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you my first project in the Spellbinders monthly club kit that I received. I got all the club kits this month for June, and this is the first projects I've completed. I did make 5 cards, but I think I gave one away already. But these are the 4 that I made. The one I gave away is the one that is exactly like the project's sample, which is, this is the packaging. So I got the small die of the month is what I worked on, and it's this little Honu guy. And so I did make that card, but I must have gave it away because I don't have it already. But these are the 4 other cards I did make based on that, off of that. And then I think this was a bonus if you got them all. The penguin. So cute. And then I used these sentiments, which did come with some die sets to cut some of them out. And so this is one of them. I forgot to add the sequence in this one, but it's okay. And then this one, I didn't even add an acetate or the sequence, but we got both of them on there. And then this one with both of the penguins. I did add the shaker element. Hula over to say hello. It says hula ing, but that's not correct. We don't put S or ing or plural or ed any of our Hawaiian words. So it's just hula over to say hello. I whited out the ing and I put this flower there to cover it. And then the last one I made, and I got these plumerias from a different die set in the club of the month kits, and I'll share that with you when I start making projects with that one. So that's my share for today. I hope you guys found this inspiring. I know that they still have stuff for the kits, so it's still available at Spellbinders. I am not sure for how long, but yeah. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, have a great day, and I will see you on the next video. Shakas, for more videos like these. See here. And until my next video, you know the drill.